Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fold an amazing F-15 fighter jet paper airplane. This design has a sleek look, is easy to make, and flies really well. Even if you're a beginner, you can follow along without any problem. For this project, you'll need one standard A4 or 8.5 11-inch sheet of paper and a pair of scissors that we'll use near the end of the build. Let's get started. Place the paper vertically on a flat surface. Fold it in half lengthwise and press the crease firmly. Open it back up so you have a clear center guideline. Now take the top right corner and fold it toward the center crease. Repeat the same on the left side so both corners meet neatly in the middle. Open both folds again because these are only guide creases. Next, fold the top point all the way down to the bottom edge of the paper. Make sure the point is centered before pressing the fold. Now bring the top section back upward using the crease you just created. Check that both sides are even before making a sharp crease. The next step creates guidelines for the body of the airplane. Fold one side toward the center, but only crease the upper section instead of the full length. Open it back up and repeat the same on the opposite side. Now comes the most important part. Push the folded edge inward and gently open the pocket that forms. Flatten it carefully into a squash fold. Once it lies flat, repeat the exact same process on the other side. Take your time here because this step helps shape the aircraft correctly. After both sides are finished, open the layers slightly and flip them across the center using the existing creases. Then fold both sides back toward the middle. Next, create an angled fold on one side, making sure the edge lines up with the guide point created by the previous folds. Repeat on the other side. The folds don't have to be perfect, but they should look symmetrical. Now reverse the small flaps inward so they tuck underneath the outer layers. This gives the airplane a cleaner shape. Fold the front point inward toward the center, then repeat on the opposite side until both sides match. Fold the entire airplane in half along the center crease. Now we'll make the tail fins. Using scissors, cut a small triangle from the back of the folded airplane. Start about 1 inch from the rear edge and cut carefully. Removing this small section creates the twin vertical stabilizers. Next, fold both wings downward. Make sure the top edge of each wing lines up evenly with the bottom edge of the body. Check from the front and back to ensure both wings are symmetrical. Fold the tail fins upward so they stand vertically. Keep the folds parallel to the center line of the airplane. Finally, lock the body by tucking one inner flap inside the other. This helps the airplane stay securely closed during flight. Your F-15 fighter jet is now complete. Before flying, check that both wings are level and both tail fins stand evenly. If the airplane dives downward, bend the back edge of each wing upward just a tiny bit. This adjustment, called up elevator, helps improve lift and allows the airplane to glide farther. When throwing the airplane, use a smooth, medium-strength launch instead of throwing it as hard as possible. A clean release usually gives the best flight. Try flying it indoors if there's no wind or outside on a calm day. Small adjustments to the wings can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to fine-tune your airplane until it flies exactly the way you want. I hope you enjoyed making this F-15 paper airplane. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new paper airplane tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy folding and happy flying.